we have these CAD files. And in the CAD files, we can load the 3D models. In my case, I have a lot of 3D models already loaded. So if I go for category, HyDraw Force, I can see that I should have already a CV8-20. Let me sort by file name, CV8-20. So I already have in my Vault workspace my Valve CV8-20. Now I want to link that 3D model to those components. If the 3D model is not linked here, I can add the new, and I position in my folder and select the 3D model. Let's say I need Parker components. I give a category, Parker, and click OK. And if the 3D model is already in the library, it will ask me to overwrite or no, and you can add more 3D models to the library. Now that the 3D models are loaded in the library, which means the file is not physically present in the library, but is available in the database, I can select all the CV8-20, right-click, link CAD files, and the link to the CV8-20 IPT. As you can see, I have also the SolidWorks file, because you can, well, technically the 3D model can be Inventor, SolidWorks, NX, Step, DWG, whichever file type you want. There is no limitation. Okay, and now this component has the 3D model linked. What happens is that if I now insert again this component, then I will have the 3D model available down here. Similarly, we have the possibility to link datasheet in the library, and datasheet will be under the documents, and it works exactly the same way like CAD files. But I think it's better to set up a library manager part 2.